Hi, this is Ray with Spray Wash Academy. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the swivel in a surface cleaner. The particular surface cleaner we'll be working on today is a PSI. This is an 18-inch model that's popular for both residential and commercial applications. Most surface cleaners will have a swivel repair kit that you can buy for an additional cost, so you don't have to just throw the unit away whenever it stops performing properly. Most swivel repair kits are very similar in nature. You'll find a new swivel, an O-ring, a spring, a plate, and a couple of metal posts are typically involved in all of these swivel repairs. This is what is called a major swivel repair, not just a seal replacement. We'll begin by removing the 3 screws that are holding the swivel cartridge in place. Remove these 3 screws. Grasp the assembly by the spinner bar and pull. If it's really jammed in there, a little PB blaster or some type of lubricant squirted in might help ease the removal. After you've removed the cartridge, at the base of this hole, you'll find a seat. Stick in a pair of needle nose pliers and remove the seat. Underneath the seat, there will also be a spring. Remove this spring with your pliers as well. Oftentimes, there will be 2 metal posts down in this recess. They will come with your replacement kit. However, if the posts aren't loose, I typically don't replace them. You can see on this comparison of the 2 seats that the old seat is completely missing both of its seals. That's one of the reasons this surface cleaner was not functioning properly. Now's a good time to go ahead and clean out the inside of that recess. Wipe it down to get rid of any type of grit that's in there. And to start the reassembly process, you'll basically reverse the steps that you just went through. First, installing the spring, replacing the posts if you need to, replace the seat, and then slide the cartridge into that recess area. You'll want to make sure to line up the holes correctly, as one of these holes is actually a weep hole that will allow you to know whenever the surface cleaner needs a seal replacement. Excess water will start weeping out of this hole, and that's a good indicator that it's time to replace your seal kit or your swivel. After you get your screws tightened up, you'll want to reinstall your spinner bar. Get that threaded onto the nut and give it a spin. You'll want it to move smoothly with no grabs or catches. There should be very little resistance on that swivel whenever you give it a spin. Now is also a great time to go ahead and change out your spray tips as well. Worn spray tips can lead to uneven spray patterns and leaving lines in the concrete that you're cleaning. Understand that spray tips are actually matched to the size of the pressure washer and pump that you're using, so look at the numbers on the spray tips to determine if you're using the right one. Professional spray tips will have a series of numbers. The first number on there will be the degree at which the water is shooting out, the angle that it's leaving the tip, typically a 40, a 25, or a 15. The second number on there will be the gallons per minute. So a 4004 would be a 40-degree tip shooting out 4 gallons of water per minute. A common mistake we see is over-tipping of surface cleaners. Remember, if you have a 4-gallon-a-minute pressure washing pump, you're actually splitting the pressure between 2 different nozzles. So in that case, you'd want to use a 2-gallon-a-minute tip in your surface cleaner. This will ensure that you're getting the best possible spray pattern and not leaving gaps whenever you clean. Also, be sure to align your tips correctly as well. The little marking lines that run through the center of the tips should run parallel with the spray bar and not at an angle. Now is also a great time to grease your surface cleaner if it is outfitted with a greasable zerk fitting. Not all swivels will have this feature on there, but if it does have it, keeping it lubed every couple of weeks with a good grease will extend the life of your swivel. Hey, thank you so much for your time in watching this video about surface cleaner repair and maintenance. Hope it's been helpful to you. Come visit us online at spraywashacademy.com for great training information and certifications in the industry. Thank you.